Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tag Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually enable the 2FA on Fortnite. So the two-factor authenticator on your Fortnite account. Now it's very easy. Open up your preferred browser and head down to Epic Games. Now from Epic Games, open up the official website and go to the top right corner where you can sign into your account. Now from there, this window should open up and you can head down to your account. Now inside your account, all you have to do, simply go down to password and security, and from here you scroll down till you find the two-factor authentication. Now as you can see, my email is set up already, but if it hasn't been set up, simply press setup, and as you can see, I can also link my authenticator app. Now simply press setup, press continue, and here you simply download the authenticator app on your mobile phone. You scan this QR code and here you can enter the security code, and now your authenticator app has been linked to your Fortnite account, your Epic Games account. You can also do this manually, and what you could also do is a email. Now from there it will enable it to send a code towards your email if you lost your account, or you can actually SMS your code to the two-factor authentication. Now here simply put in your phone number, press continue, you will receive an SMS with a code, and from there you can actually enable and link your SMS, your phone number to your Epic Games account. And that should be it. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and have a nice day.